Here is the Johnson Controls temperature controller. Just got it wired up today, but so far it seems to work really well. Basically I took a drop cord and cut it in half. This side goes to the electrical outlet in the wall over there. And this other part goes to the fridge. That's the old plug for the fridge. And right here is a temperature probe. And that just lets the controller know what the temperature is inside the chest freezer. So it just reached temperature and cut off, and it's currently at 43 degrees. It will, I can right now have it set to cut back on about 46. So once it warms up to that, then it will turn back on. My first ever attempt at a joint, I made out of some scrap wood the other night. Pretty quick and dirty. I didn't take a whole lot of time to make it, but I was just playing with it to see what I could do. So here's what I did. A little sloppy, but not too bad for what I put into it. So here's the chest freezer, and there's my pieces of wood kind of laid out. That's what I'm working with. I'm making a collar to raise the lid up, and I'll run the taps through the wood and whatever other lines I need to as time goes on. I made a pattern of what I wanted to do, of the joint that I wanted to cut out. On the other boards, this is what I came up with. This is the first board. Came out alright. I'm getting better as I go. Just been using the folding saw to make my cuts. And I started out using a chisel, but it's not working out so well. It's easier to control my Mora knife, which is this. This is much sharper and a lot easier to get a nice wide flat cut. I marked off my pattern here and put X's on what I'm not using. If I score my lines with the chisel, then it doesn't tear out when I cut it. Run this over the strops one more time before I start working. Make sure it's nice and sharp. That'll work. There we are, pretty much finished.